Hello everyone. Today I will be doing mystery boxes that I personally made with my stuff at home. Put just a mystery question mark. That means a mystery, I guess, but yeah, I just put a question mark on the boxes. So let's see what's inside the first one. Oh yeah, and also I put these in order from smallest to oldest. That's what I'm gonna do for you. So there's two ones that are the same size. So I'm just gonna start out which one I want to start out with. So let's get into that. So I got this nice box. Now, yeah, that was bad. I just reopened it. Yeah. Just the first item is I'm trying out. I'm not the best YouTuber ever, but yeah, just this was like originally from another squishy, but I just ripped it out because these two were attached. So yeah, that's what that is. Nice, right? See that pop going? Yeah, let's get into the next bit. Still the same box. So this is like a monkey noodle, but different. It's like has these fur things, and then has a little unicorn face, and then a little butt, but the butt doesn't have the little tail because it came off. It's my fault, but yeah. Just so you know, I'm a very messy kid. Now, this is a little car that I made. That I didn't make it actually. No, I'm sorry. But this is a little car that I named Bob because I just really wanted to, you know? It's a good Bob car. I like the name Bob a lot, so yeah. The last item in this box is Dale. You know, Chip and Dale. I can't find Chip right now, but I'm sure I'll find him later. I'll tell you if I find him soon, okay? Yeah, this is Dale. You know, he's a good guy. Yeah, he's really cute, isn't he? I like him. Hey. Yeah. He's a good guy. His voice does not sound like that though. Yeah, I just made a mistake. So like, hey, hi, hi. He does not say those words. That's just annoying. Let's move on to the next box. So, the next box is something like a Pop-It but old schooler. Yeah, you guessed it already, I bet. It is bubble wrap. Oh, isn't it amazing? It's good. I can't pop any. I'm not sure if you hear that, but I'm not sure if you heard that, so yeah, that's just bubble wrap. Kids love it, you know. Well, I am a kid, so I love it too. But it's like a Pop-It, but it doesn't last forever. That's like Pop-Its are better. But bubble wrap is old school, and I like it. I don't know which one I like better. I just said Pop-Its are better. I like bubble wrap better. It's just more poppy, you know. There's more things. It's just old school and better. Yeah. On to the next package. This mystery stickers. Yeah, I just decided to be lazy and not take them. I go like, I got this today. My cow. I named it Butter. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, there he is. And then got this spider. Had a name, but I wanted to do a different name, which is what was it? Oh yeah, Super Spider, because it's like a cape, I think. I also got this today. Yeah, that was all that was in that package. Some packages have one thing. Wait, yeah, some packages have one thing. Most of them have like multiple things. But yeah. Okay. This one's small. This one. Okay. You can't see me. This is a bigger one. Good. This I painted. Was that not too a little while? Oh, it's piggy bank. There's some money in it that I put in. Next thing, I smooth that out. I like to finger. Got this one, this one, this one, which the grip tape came off, so I did this one. So I just put the tape on it. It still works. And I got this one. Those are all my fingerboards. I can show you now. You might be able to see it. Ready? You see that? It's not Photoshop. Probably because my lemongrass. Yeah, it's probably because my hands are always sweaty, but yeah, who cares? Come on. Oh. In there. The next box is this one. You can't really see the question mark, kind of. Okay. Now, I got this beautiful microphone for my birthday from my mom's friend. It's amazing. Actually, still works, but I'm bad at singing, so I don't want to hear it too. It's kind of embarrassing for you. And next is this Capcom. Is it good? I would try it, but my mom and dad won't let me. Yeah, this is made from little bullet blocks, I think. And it says, go. Oh, that's the wrong way. Okay, it says, go, back, go. And there's a G on the front, as you can see, a bad one, but a G. Football. And then you got these people skateboarding, which isn't really with the football vibe, but I just did that. I don't read that. That's dad. I just another go back go. And yeah, you can just see that. Beep. I don't know. I just did beep. What am I doing? Let's pay attention. Oh. Sorry about this. Wait. Okay, next. There's two more that are the same size, so I'll just do. This one's too big. I don't think you can see me. But I'm... Now you can't see me. Oh my goodness. Okay, I had to move that. That was still at the box. So, okay, this what's in it. Crocs. Very nice, huh? Yeah, there's the other croc in there, which you know what the first one looks like. They all look the same. Just an ordinary dog. Just an ordinary dog. But you didn't know.
What were you guys doing?
Ooh, and look at this. I put this on here. It's just a little, it's called little, oh, choker, yeah, choker. I don't know what that was on there. It's like its collar, I guess. This can actually come off, and you can put it back on, yeah. But then bottom unzipped. Oh no, it had a baby! Wow. Baby. No more. This was cute though. Okay. And there's one single one left. I'll go get it. Sorry for the light. This box kind of short, but yes. Sorry, that was my sister. But guess what? There was a squishmallow. Squishmallow. Good night. I'm kidding. I'll clean that up. It's a little bit of a battery. You could see that. That was good. Okay. I want to show you some fingerboard chips. Oh no. Help me. I'll use Tech Deck first. I'm not good with Tech Deck. Okay, you're supposed to use 2 fingers, but I'm gonna use 3. Did an ollie. Oh, almost good. Ooh, smooth. Ollie. Do this one that I decorated. Not a Tech Deck. Not manifest right now. Okay, sorry about that. That was just me yelling. Ooh, smooth. Yeah. That was cool. There. Lemon grab. Lemon grab again. Ooh, smooth. Kind of. Ooh, I kind of landed that. Ooh, that was smooth. Okay, bye. See you next.